Looking for a power supply that delivers reliable performance without the noise? This fully modular PSU is designed to give you exactly what you need: no clutter, no extra cables, just clean, efficient power tailored to your system. It's perfect for gamers and creators who want both power and peace of mind. What sets this PSU apart is its triple EPS12V connectors, ensuring full compatibility with the latest graphics cards and motherboards. Whether you're running a high-end GPU or a demanding CPU, this unit keeps everything stable and efficient. Plus, its industrial-grade capacitors rated at 105 degrees Celsius guarantee long-lasting electrical performance you can trust. One of the standout features is the 140mm rifle bearing fan paired with a carefully tuned fan curve. This combo minimizes fan noise, even under full load. At low to medium power demands, the 0 RPM fan mode kicks in, making your system whisper quiet when you need it most. It's a subtle but meaningful upgrade for anyone sensitive to noise. A satisfied user from the United States highlights how this PSU handles a demanding setup with ease. A Ryzen 5800X3D, Asus Strix 3080 V20C Edition, and other high-end components all running smoothly. While some might prefer a platinum-rated PSU, this gold-rated model proves more than capable for gaming rigs, offering stable power without the premium price tag. Keep in mind, the package comes with essential cables only, so if your GPU requires multiple PCIe power connections, you might want to grab an extra cable separately. This small step ensures your build stays neat without daisy-chaining cables, which can affect performance and cable management. If you value a balance of efficiency, silence, and modular design, this PSU deserves a spot on your shortlist. It simplifies your setup while supporting modern hardware with confidence. Worth a look if you want dependable power without unnecessary extras. Ready to upgrade your system's power foundation? This fully modular, gold-rated PSU offers what you need: quiet operation, solid build quality, and compatibility with the latest components. Try it when you're ready to experience stable, clean power that keeps your rig running smoothly.